How to remove card from Apple Pay. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can remove your card from Apple Pay. So this is the Apple Wallet right here, and here your cards are stored. So what you need to do is just open up your Apple Wallet. After you open your Apple Wallet, you'll get the list of your cards. I don't have any cards right here, but I'll guide you through the process. So after you're here, just select the card that you want to remove and tap on it. After it opens up, tap on the three dots on the top right, and there tap on card details. After you tap on card details, you'll get redirected to the card details right there, and after you scroll down for a bit, you will see the option that says remove card. Tap on remove card and it will give a pop-up to confirm the deletion. Tap on remove and it will show you an animation of the card getting removed, and that will basically remove the card from Apple Pay. So that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video, and if you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and